What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 Jeep Wrangler. So it's a 22 Wrangler in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. This will also work on the Jeep Gladiator. So I'm in the vehicle now. The first thing I'm going to do is put the ignition to the run position. So without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop-start button 2 times. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do all this using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is scroll up or down and keep scrolling up or down until we get to the vehicle menu screen. So keep scrolling until we get to the vehicle info screen, vehicle info. Once we're on this screen, then what I'm going to do is scroll left or right. And keep scrolling left or right until we get to the oil life page where it shows you the percentage. Once we have our percentage up, I'm going to hold down this OK button to reset. So press and hold down the OK button. And then as you can see there, it's been reset back to 100%. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.